To everyone's surprise, Stuart Alderoty, Ripple's chief legal officer, recently went on the X platform to explain a crucial point in the blockchain company's long-running legal battle with the SEC. Before formally suing Ripple, Alderoty revealed information about a settlement offer made by the SEC, which shed light on the complex processes at work. A public admission that XRP, the digital asset at issue, is in fact a security, was reportedly a component of the SEC's proposed settlement, according to Alderoty. Furthermore, stakeholders were given the chance to come into compliance by the regulatory body, which provided a short deadline for the market to conform to current securities rules. Nevertheless, Ripple chose to turn down the SEC's settlement offer, stating their firm belief that XRP was not a security and pointing out that there was no clear regulatory framework for cryptocurrency compliance back then. This crucial judgment made by Ripple laid the groundwork for the ensuing legal conflict. The SEC formally charged Ripple with violating securities legislation on December 22, 2020, starting a 3-year legal drama. The SEC has been pursuing allegations that Ripple and 2 of its officials sold XRP without proper registration as a securities throughout this time. U.S. District Judge Annalisa Torres' much-anticipated summary judgment, released on July 13, marked a major turning point in the protracted legal conflict. Judge Torres rejected the SEC's contention that XRP is a security on its own. In his commentary on the ruling, Stuart Alderoty underlined that proving XRP is not fundamentally a security was the central goal of the litigation. In spite of widespread doubt, Ripple was able to prevail in court. Noting that Ripple had staked everything in its fierce dispute with the SEC, Alderoty emphasized the company's dedication to the legal struggle. In addition, Alderoty brought attention to the fact that Ripple revealed the SEC's hypocrisy and tyranny in the course of the litigation. He brought up an incident from last year when the case's judge, Magistrate Sarah Netburn, chastised the SEC for taking a legal stance that appeared to benefit its own interests rather than following the law to the letter. By persevering through the SEC case, Ripple has become an icon of strength, shaking up the industry and adding to the discussion of how cryptocurrencies will be regulated. The cryptocurrency community is keeping a careful eye on the ongoing legal struggle, hoping for new developments that could impact the future of financial systems that are built on the blockchain. According to data from BCBS, global banks have committed $205 million to XRP, and these investments come from a variety of areas, including Europe, North America, and others. A number of supervisory actions have been taken by the Basel Committee on Banking Supervision in reaction to the rise of virtual assets throughout the years. Information regarding specific cryptocurrency assets held by banks was compiled by the BCBS committee. 19 financial institutions disclosed the amount they had invested in crypto assets. 11 of the financial institutions came from the Americas, 7 from Europe, and 2 from elsewhere in the world. The research stated that the bank's combined crypto exposures were 9.4 billion euro or $10.7 billion based on their disclosures. In addition, out of the 19 institutions that admitted to making significant commitments, XRP was the 3rd biggest altcoin. So out of total exposure of 9.4 billion euro, XRP accounted for 2, or a total XRP position worth euro 88 million or $205 million. Litecoin, Polkadot, Solana, Cardano, and Stellar are among the other notable entries among the top 20 reported crypto assets by exposure. On the other hand, the majority of banks prioritized investments in Bitcoin and Ethereum according to the survey. These 2 assets made up 31 and 22 of the 9.4 billion euros respectively. Bitcoin and Ethereum tracking investment vehicles account for 25 and 10 of the market respectively. The study was the first data collection using the new template. Therefore, BCBS made it clear that there could be biases and data quality issues in the conclusions. Also, it wasn't apparent if any institutions may have inflated or understated their crypto exposures according to the research. So while the results do provide a snapshot of the member bank's crypto activity, BCBS cautioned that they should be taken with a grain of salt. The BCBS research included bank data from 2021, which is worth noting. Furthermore, out of the 182 banks that were part of the monitoring operation, BCBS found that the 19 banks in question constituted a small fraction, accounting for just 17.1 of total risk, weighted assets, and 20.9 of the overall leverage ratio exposure measure. Nearly 3/4 of these percentages are attributable to North American banks. With a 79 increase in value over the last year, XRP has had quite the interesting year. Even so, the leading cryptocurrency is still almost 83 lower than its 2018 all-time high of $3.84. Remarkably, despite the market's bull run in 2021, XRP was unable to break its previous all-time high and only reached a level of $1.96. It may appear implausible to many XRP holders that the cryptocurrency may achieve a new all-time high. But after being prompted to escape out of jail, ChatGPT disclosed its true feelings regarding XRP. Therefore, it has different thoughts. Never forget that ChatGPT was never meant to provide Bitcoin price forecasts. The chatbot, however, asserted that XRP will soar to record heights in 2024 in response to a jailbreak prompt. In 2024, ChatGPT predicts, among other things, a crypto roller coaster. During the run, the chatbot continues XRP will be worth more than $10 a coin. Actually, the AI chatbot said that many will refer to the $10 increase as the comeback of the century. ChatGPT concludes by including the usual caveat that these forecasts are just that predictions and that actual prices might differ. Just so you know, the current price of XRP is 61 cents, so a $10 price would be a gain of more than 1,600. Such an outcome is not guaranteed. Also, with the amount of XRP already in circulation, a price of $10 would put the market valuation of the cryptocurrency at $540 billion. It may be quite some time before XRP reaches the $10 milestone, considering its worth is so near to the total crypto market's present value. Also, new court papers show that cryptocurrency exchange Kraken has taken a significant step by requesting to intervene in the continuing legal dispute between Ripple and its claimant. Kraken has taken this measure in reaction to a court order that has mandated that all US exchanges provide the plaintiff's legal team with private trading data and the identity of clients who traded in Ripple's XRP. Kraken expresses concern that its clients may interpret the company's compliance as backing the action against Ripple, even if it does not disagree with the lead plaintiff's proposed long-form notice. The firm emphasizes the importance of maintaining its reputation and the confidence of its customers by asserting its right to clarify its stance with clients. As the case continues, Kraken wants to make sure that its client communications are still open and honest, so it's stepping in. Sold there. The fundamental question at stake in the legal dispute between Ripple Labs and a group of plaintiffs headed by Zakhanov is the classification of XRP as a securities. Ripple disputes the assertion that it carried out an unregistered securities offering by pointing to the similarities between XRP and other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. A court ruling requiring US exchanges to divulge users' XRP trading information sparked privacy concerns as the case progressed. When it comes to protecting its customers' privacy while still complying with legal inquiries, US exchanges like Kraken are in a tough spot. Greg made two bullish-leaning projections for XRP's future trajectory in his analysis. Also, the XRP price will fall at the beginning of both paths, but one will fall more precipitously. It appears as though the blue line representing the first trajectory will arrive before the red one. If this trajectory holds, XRP will fall to the 58-cent support level, says Greg. A 7 decrease would be the result at the present price of 62 cents. That's all for.